good people of YouTube. Packing up after I got all my chores done, got school done, ready to go skate, put down some hammers. So what I got today is, gotta finish a couple chores. Turn that off. I have a couple more chores to do after we're done skating, right? And then, got a couple more chores left after we go skating and play at the park. And then I have some art that I want to try and do. A like time lapse on that I've been doing and selling for a while. It's kind of unique. Everybody's always like, I've never seen it before. I've never seen it before. So I'm happy to show you guys. So stick around and we'll do that right after this. We're all done with the skate sesh. We had a good chill sesh. I wasn't trying to do anything crazy because of my back injury. I'm still like babying it, but now what I want to get into is like the art, which is really what I've been wanting to show you guys and show everybody on a larger scale on how it's made and just the process of it. Like every step, it's a lot more steps than what you would really think. This is what my shop looks like. It's in the garage right now. And so what I want to do is I want to try to time lapse it. Well, just this part, because this part does take a long time, so I'm gonna time lapse it so you guys can see just exactly how I do it. Alright, so the intention is to make a Robin for a Batman that I sold this guy. And so the concept is gonna be like this. Let's see what we can get out of it. This is what I'm going for, and then this is what I got so far. All right, I'm gonna take a break from that because my back hurts from being hunched over. That was so corny. Day 3 out here on this nice rainy day. I'm gonna get to it and then hopefully I can glue it down to the canvas today, and then tomorrow I'll do the coloring, or even today hopefully. So let's see how far I get. Alright, so I think I got it to where I want it. I'm happy with it, and if it was up to me, if it was mine, I would just keep messing with it until it's perfect, but it can't. I have to get it out of here because of time's sake. And now I just gotta glue it down and then give it some color and pop a frame on it. And I'll show you the other steps, but this is what I got. For the first time. This is always so cool. Ooh. Cool, now all I have to do is just decide on how much color and what colors go where, and you know. Alright, it sucks, but I only have time to do that one color is the gold. I don't have time to sit and let it dry and then do the red and the green. But tomorrow this thing should be 100% done. And this is what it looks like so far again. So I will see you guys later tonight or tomorrow, hopefully. tonight. Guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Don't worry, be smiling already. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this first time lapse. Does that make sense? This is my first time lapse on this beautiful robin piece right here. The second I uploaded it, dude, the customer was like, yo, this looks dope. Thank you so much. And I was like, yeah, where do I send it? It's a gift for somebody else. I think I mentioned that. But if you like what you've seen, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video, which is every Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. One of those days I try to upload once a week during the weekend so you guys have something to watch. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.